First look, I have my extensions in. It's from FrontRow hair. I absolutely love the extensions. I actually bought it for my wedding. You can see it's like very, very long. It just adds extra length because I always did like having long hair, and body. So for the first look, I am going to do a side sweep. A side sweep curly look, and I'm going to be using my fabulous curling tong, what do you call it? A curling iron, but doesn't. And this one I got in high school. It's the best thing ever. I'll leave links below. I've had this for so long, so I don't know if they still even make this model, but I will share links below on what I find. And I bought this at Clicks. I've had it since high school. It's so full. I'm like struggling to make parts. Okay, there we go. And the trick with this is that you don't want a very tight curl, and I'm using my heat protectant spray by GHD. It's really like had it forever. You don't need a lot of it, and you can start curling and just do it in different directions. Don't hold the heat too tight around the barrel, but just lightly. Some of them don't even like touch the ends, like I'm leaving the piece out. Shoo, that was quick. So I'll continue doing this. Start the other side, and it will be really quick. So my hair is all curled up. As you can see, it's just all going in different directions. It's not really curls, it's more waves. And then I'm going to be using this sorry, let me just show you the sorry clip, because these clips are so in right now. And then I'm just gonna take to the side. That's a bit too far back, like that. I love it. So for this look, I'm going to be using this hair scarf that I got at Cotton On. It's really pretty, it's silky, I love the colors. And I'm just going to fold it, roll it, whatever, and like this. Then I'm going to put it under my hair like this, holding the two ends. And you could pull some of your hair out, but I'm going to do it all back because I like it out of my face. And then I'm just going to take them across like that. Like that. And then you could tie a bow, but I don't want a bow. I'm not in the Minnie Mouse mood today. I am going to take it right under and tie it. You guys can see I'm going to tie it like that. Like that. I'm just going to throw my hair to the side. And I think this look is so cute for summer, because just get the baby ears out with a nice big hoop earring. I think it's so easy and so cute. Very, very cute.